to KPX.
East of the Hughes Springs area, now reported as a funnel cloud and moving off to the northeast at 20 miles per hour. What will it bring it into and what time? Again, the same two places we were looking at a moment ago. Way on up, south of Highway 77 and near Highway 9 and 77, which would be Caseta. That's a new one on me, but Douglasville, Texas. And they're both outside the warning area, but I do feel like this warning is going to be extended in 6 minutes. 9:45 is expiration time. It's my thinking right now that this may be extended, although now the last report we had was it was a funnel cloud northeast of Hughes Springs. I'm going to contact folks in the control room. Could you call Jeff and see if we can look at severe weather coverage, folks, and see if they can get to Hughes Springs or possibly Fred working out of Texarkana to Hughes Springs for the damage there, at least if we could confirm a little bit more damage. But have a feeling this will be extended unless it tremendously weakens, which it is showing signs of weakening. You have no problem. Dangerfield, no. As far as Atlanta, Texas, no problem there. Northwest Louisiana, none at all. Falk area, southern Arkansas right now, no problems. And then, of course, Titus County. Storm. This particular storm will track more towards Lake Texarkana, Highway 59 on the Bowie-Cass County line. It's going to take a while to get into Douglasville. Be quiet for that. Once again, to reiterate, we do have a severe tornado warning, that is, till 9:45 for Cass County. I'm going to stay with it and to what is happening with it. And going back into, again, all right, this would be, you can see Texarkana and Shreveport. Port in the red, that's the winds blowing away from the radar site. And then, of course, winds out of the south blowing towards the radar site. That's the green. But if we go into the more or less weakened here, zooming in to that area right now, look for the bright red against the bright green. There, and it's not as deeply pronounced as it was, but it is now north of Highway 11, out of Hughes Springs, continuing to move to the northeast at about 20 miles per hour, but it will take it quite some time to get on into Douglasville. And looking over here right now, just the very latest coming in again from the law enforcement special weather statement from the National Weather Service. Funnel cloud at 9:34. State Trooper reported a funnel cloud 2 miles northeast of Hughes Springs. And we will get reports from Hughes Springs as soon as possible and pass that on to you. But so far, there will be the possibility that we could see this warning extended if it does not and considerably in the next 3 minutes. In fact, I want to stay with you until this is issued. Then I'll check back with the National Weather Service. Right now, the state troopers reporting it, and that was about 8 minutes ago as a funnel cloud northeast of Hughes Springs. But the red next to the green there that you can see in the almost in the center of the screen, let me just go ahead and put it in the center of the screen for you so you'll know exactly what we're looking at, where the symbol 11 is, very near there. And that is west of Linden. I don't think this storm is going to take a huge right turn at all. Douglasville would be the next one that's in its path. And as far as that warning itself, let me go back to that warning map very quickly and take a look at that. And that will tell us, as far as the warning, and it is still in effect, 9:45. We've got just about another minute and a half on that. But I'm very interested to see if it is going to be extended, or has it weakened enough that it will become a severe thunderstorm. If it does become a severe thunderstorm, what we will be seeing is possibility of some hail. straight line winds, more than likely 60 miles an hour plus, and more than likely with this, some torrential rainfall. And we've had a lot of electrical activity with almost every storm that has formed. But when I say every storm that has formed, this is the one and only storm in the area. We've had nothing else. This is what you could certainly call a supercell. There are not even any storm warnings out for parts of Arkansas, where there are some storms going on and some electrical activity. Now 9:44:17 and just waiting. And I do have the National Weather Service chat room up here. The last we've had on this is 2 miles northeast of Hughes Springs. A funnel cloud reported by a State Trooper Texas DPS. That warning will continue for another 30 seconds, and I expect any moment now either an extension of the tornado warning